I'm glad you're with me today. I'm Marlo with Marlo's Treasures. I'm taking you around this bag of jewelry, showing you what it looked like before we started going through it. This video is part 2 of a 3 or 4 part series where we treasure hunt through this 8.5-pound Goodwill Jewelry Grab Bag. If you watch the first video, and I'll put a link down in the comments, you'll see all the goodies that we've found so far. Oh, and before I forget, I want to thank all of my current subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, just click the subscribe button below the video, and that way you'll never miss our treasure hunts. Now, let's get started. Okay, so, oh, isn't that beautiful? Bum party. And if you look, there's a little protective coating on there, and it's brand new. So nobody even wore it. And then they donated it. That's a pretty bracelet. I like the silver and the blue together. 2 different color blues as well. These little hook earrings constantly get attached to things. That's an interesting bracelet. I kind of like the rope. Oh, look at the vintage. Oh, and they've got AB coating on them. It has a nice weight to it too. That's darling. I love it. Okay, another earring. And we have a match. That's from the part 1. We have a bunch of things on the right-hand side from the part 1 of this series. Pretty little earring. And here's a set. Actually, is that a set? One looked like a little bit different color. Same shape. I'll have to check that. These are neat. Yeah, we found that first one in part 1. Pretty. Like enamel coating through the middle. Oh, those are so cute. Look, little flowers. I like it. Has a little enamel on that too, I think. Those are pretty. I like the brushed gold on these. Nice. Another stretch bracelet. I found several in the first batch or first part of the series. This is jewelry making material. There's quite a bit of that in here. See, it's attached to everything. That's pretty. Vintage as well. Prime Art and Jewel, PAJ. I had to look that one up. I wasn't sure what that one was. Very nice. Kind of heavy bracelet as well. Just a rhinestone ball. There's another little ball earring. Pretty. I almost see others in there that might match those ball earrings. Oh, a little XO. Like the little rhinestones on that. That's very nice. I like the pink and the gold and the white. Yeah, those actually don't match. That's a bright yellow, and yeah, see, there's a bright yellow. Yes, that one matches. Nice. We love the matches, don't we? It's so sad when I only find one earring. Yeah, that doesn't match. Oh, a teacher bracelet. Teacher, wisdom, inspire. Cute little heart with teacher on it. Lots of bracelets. Everything's knotted, of course. That's like silver, gold, black, and white. That's neat. That'd go nice on a black sweater or a white sweater. Lots of things. Nice and long, too. Oh, that's adorable. Look at the glass. And the flowers inside of the glass. That's not on the top, that's inside. Yeah. Doesn't this look like the candy ones? You used to make like little candy necklaces for your mom or something. Another stretch bracelet. And a couple more. Pretty. I like the pink and the white on that one. A little apple. There's another one. That matches the other silver and white one. Vintage necklace. Black and gold. Those are all glass. And they have the little gold spacers. Isn't that nice? And it's heavy too. I like when it has a little weight to it. There's a silver. A little black. I couldn't tell if that was a stone in there or a hard plastic. I think it was actually a little stone. Because it had that, you know, the amount of weight that you'd think it would have. This is interesting. Kind of a mesh. Black and white. Silver and white, actually. Nice. Little earring. Little cluster earring. That kind of matches that vintage one, doesn't it? That vintage necklace that we had earlier. Cute. I like the cut of those stones. Some more crafting material. We had a bunch of that in the first video too, and I'm sure we'll have more. Aww, that's broken. Little bracelet. Let me zoom past me picking all that up. That's cute. And we have the pair. And another one. Actually, that one might match one of those, but we just picked up earlier that I said didn't match. We'll see. Little ring. That's just a rhinestone, but it's cute. It's adjustable, actually, for the size. Oof, this is a heavy, it's not a belt, I don't think. It's some kind of body jewelry. It might go around the waist, but it doesn't go through loops. It would just hang. This is nice. I like the gold, or the bronze kind of color with the black. Liz Claiborne. And it has a little string on it, like there was a tag on it. Maybe it was in an estate sale. I'm not sure. Interesting little bracelet. Just loops through to connect. Nice color stones. Cute little earring. Silver and a faux pearl. It's not marked. Nice. Kind of dressy. Okay, everything is tangled. Little earring. Dangle, drop earring. Pretty silver. Nice. Oh, wow. Wow, wow. I really like charm bracelets. Look at all of them. There was a meow and a butterfly, it looked like, or a dragonfly. Breast cancer awareness. That's neat. Lots of different colors on that one. So here's a couple of earrings, but they don't match. We'll just keep going and see if we find the matches. Here's two more. Heart and a butterfly. And, oh, that's a cute little heart. Another heart. Those are nice. I like that. I like the color and the shape of the stones. And a pendant. F. and a heart on the back. Hey, we found a match to the heart one. Nice. Now we have a little pair of earrings. And a dragonfly. Yep. And we had one like that, but it's a different shape. Cute. Little stud. Single earring stud. And the match. Very nice. This was a match actually from the first video again. I like those. They look brand new too. Oh, 925. It's marked on it, and those are little glass beads. Look at how they iridesce. This one is... Okay, that's funny. I thought that said Ha Sophia at first, and it's L-I-A, not H-A. Just the font that they used when I was looking at it. It looked like Ha. That's darling. Okay. Nice. Look at that pendant. Glass. Those beads are not glass, but the black ones are not. That's nice. I like when they have tears. Okay. Ooh, the brushed gold. Kind of a cream color in the black. That looks great together. I don't think that's a maker. I've seen that too many times. Could be. Beads lost. Oh, that's nice. Little toggle clasp. Pretty. Some glass beads in that. You can hear them tink. And we found a match to this little guy. And we found another match. Keep it going. Love the matches. This one. Oh, that's sweet. Flip it over and little stones. Kind of looks like an Avon maybe, doesn't it? Oh, I love when they hook them together. I don't have to go hunting. Do you put those in your jewelry box? Do you keep yours attached to each other so they're not running around in there? And then you're searching for them when you're like, I just got to go. We got to go. Nice dragonflies. Cute. That's a pretty necklace. Not marked or anything. Okay, so you're gonna laugh, but I'm keeping it in there. Oh wait, this is a neat little earring. I don't know what that is, that little girl on there. But this, oh yeah. Pretty. I like that. The crosses. Here's another one. Be Mine. This says SAQ on it. That's an Avon designed brand. It's hard to see that for you. Just SAQ, that's all it says. Okay, now we'll get to this one. This is so funny, and I left, like I said, I left this in here. Everything is magnetized to it. So every time I move it around and get it anywhere close to any of the other jewelry, it just picks it up and starts taking off with it. See? But it's a multifunction. So you can wrap it together and have it be a bracelet. You can wear it as a necklace, but it also connects to itself. So that is a little hard to work with. Hey, there's another teacher bracelet. Teacher, inspire. Another earring. Okay, this one probably matches that one. Yes. Okay. There's another match. Again, keep it going. We don't want any separates. Okay. Oh, cute, but it's missing a stone. Wow. Okay. Well, I'm glad you stayed with me till the end. This is part 2 of a 3 or 4 part series on this huge grab bag. As I mentioned earlier, I post jewelry unboxing videos once or twice a week, so hit the subscribe button so that you never miss one of our treasure hunts. And again, a big shout out to all of my current subscribers. As always, like, comment, and share. Hope you come back soon. Enjoy your day. Bye bye, you.